Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being laggy on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve being laggy on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to Clash of Clans. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.